Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing another unboxing on the Beyblade Burst versions of Metal Master Bays. So yeah, it's the 2020 version, 20th anniversary 2020 version. So I had to move my one of my stadiums. So yeah, I just got this in today. It's basically the same day, and then next day I leave, guys. So yeah. I probably will be doing a battle video with against each other. 5-on-5, that'll be fun. So yeah, let's get into it. And again, I'm going to talk about the art in this. Let's get this. And I love the white boxes. The last ones had the black boxes, the black and gold ones. Oh, and this one's silver. Oh, nice. And it, of course, opposite. And look at this artwork. Original artist from the manga. Fucking gorgeous. And here's the base. The right launcher. Oh good. Just woke up a few hours ago, so yeah, I'm still tired. There it is. Oh, that's fine. Oh, there's special edition stickers on here, I think. Or I forgot to put. I will put I won't be putting the stickers on this time. Ooh, yeah. These are gorgeous as hell. I'm gonna keep the actually, I'm gonna probably take out the launcher. Because this thing looks like the actual one. I don't have the original one, but I need another LR for myself. So a lot longer, yes, a lot longer. Well, longer ones. Let's get out. Galaxy Pegasus. What is that? No, Galaxy. Never got the original. I mean, the other one. Oh god, that looks gorgeous as hell. 5. Oh god. Finally got having this driver. So I'm happy about that. Yeah, the one thing I like. Yeah, I think that's it. Look how you take these out. And it actually has metal right there. So that's pretty cool. Let's go with in order. Okay. And then we got another proof. Red Unicorno, 1 proof, Unite Dash, and that looks amazing. Here's the layer. Actually has the stickers. Union, yeah. Freaking gorgeous as hell. This is one of my favorites out of this one, out of these. Okay. Yep. Oh god. Oh, and it comes with bump. Yay. 00 bump. Yielding. LR. Yeah. fucking gorgeous as hell. Meteor El Drago. Fucking gorgeous too. 7 variant. I forgot the name. And yep. And spin still. And you can change modes to this too. So mode changer. Fucking gorgeous as hell. Anyways, now finally the King Kerberos or Hell Kerberos 0. What guy now? That's fucking gorgeous. Yeah. Okay. Also, I got these guys in today too. Metal Fight Bay, the one I don't have, and another Clash Ragnarok, because I like the Ragnarok in this one. So yeah. Let's put these on. Okay, there we go. I like the color on this one. Tyson, Jenga. The annoying character. Annoying character. The Daichi of their group. The original version. The fucking annoying ass character. And the reject version. Okay, let's get this. Like it left spin. I like that mode change gimmick. The defense type. Defense type. The rival of the main character. Like in absorb mode, that'd be fun to use. And the guy that thinks he's all that. And at the start of the series for Plastogen. So yeah, this will be the lineup at the battle. I will be doing this after work today. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.